There's a place where the mountains stretch beyond the setting sun, where the air is crisp and the rivers run as free as the wildfire. This is the land of soaring peaks, roaming caribou, and boundless frontier charm. This is Alaska. Unleash your wild side and race across snow-driven glaciers behind a pack of Iditarod-winning sled dogs. Sail into the icy waters off Seward for a chance to watch humpback whales breach the surface with a mighty splash. And take in the awe-inspiring scenery of America's last frontier from the comfort of a luxury rail car as you journey to Denali National Park. Every square mile of this incredible land is steeped in culture, tradition, and the human instinct to explore. It pulls at your heartstrings, igniting your passion for discovery, and beckons you to delve deeper into the natural wonders that make Alaska such a magical place. Don't miss your chance to unlock that magic and experience a world of stunning wildlife and jaw-dropping views. From the frozen tundra of Juneau Icefield to the quiet coastal mountains of Skagway, this is the land of adventure. Are you ready to answer the call? Who's booking your next vacation? Cruise Planners, your cruise and vacation experts since 1994.